Welcome to my newest listing at 8737 Scrub Oak Street in Santee. I'm Ewa Baska with Whissel Realty, and here are my favorite things about this beautiful single-family home. First off, its location. It's located in the highly sought-after Weston community, featuring great amenities like the community pool and parks. It's super close proximity to West Hills High School. And of course, the turnkey home itself, which was built in 2020. Features beautiful upgrades throughout, like luxury vinyl plank flooring, new appliances, solar panels, and smart home features. Call me to schedule a private showing.